Hi all, my name is G. Rajeshwara from ECEC section. My topic is Thevenin's theorem. Thevenin's theorem greatly simplifies analysis of complex circuits by allowing us to replace all the elements with a combination of just one voltage source and one resistor. A complex two-terminal circuit can be replaced by an equivalent circuit consisting of a voltage source VTH in series with a resistor RTH. Left side, it is a original circuit. After doing all terms, we get Thevenin's equivalent circuit. First of all, what is clearly we understand the Thevenin's theorem. Thevenin's states that for any linear electrical network containing only voltage sources, current sources, and resistance can be replaced by terminals A, B by an equivalent combination of a voltage source VTH in a series connection with a resistance RTH. The equivalent voltage VTH is the voltage obtained at terminals AB of the network with terminals A, B open circuited. The equivalent resistance RTH is the resistance that the circuit between terminals A and B would have if all ideal voltage sources in the circuit were replaced by a short circuit and all ideal current sources were replaced by an open circuit. If terminals A and B are connected to one another, the current flowing from A to B will be VTH by RTH. That means that RTH could alternatively be calculated as VTH divided by the short circuited current between A and B when they are connected together. Any black box containing resistances only and voltage and current sources can be replaced by the Thevenin's equivalent circuit consisting of an equivalent voltage source in series connection with an equivalent resistance. In the new circuit, VTH is the open circuit voltage at the terminals, the voltage between A and B. RTH is the input or equivalent resistance at the terminals when the sources are turned off, the equivalent resistance between A and B. To draw your new equivalent circuit, follow these steps. Remove your load and label your terminals A and B. Solve for VTH. Solve for RTH. Draw your new equivalent circuit. First step is remove your load and label your terminals A and B. Hereafter, a dotted line is the load. We should remove the load and we should mention that as A and B. Then after that, we can solve for VTH. The Thevenin's voltage is the voltage between A and B. With the load removed, follow the path of current leaving the source to see if it is divides and it goes through the 40 ohms resistor. Note that no matter if you have resistors on the open circuits, since no current can flow through them. In this case, this is a closed loop. When the voltage between A and B, VAB is equal to VTH, and is also the voltage drop across the 40 ohms resistor that can be solved under the VDR. Here is the formula for it. VAB is equal to VTH is equal to V 40 ohms is equal to 20 into 40 by equivalent resistance is equal to we get at last 4.4 volts. Solve for RTH. Turn off your source. If it is a voltage source, ES short circuit. If it is a current source, IS open circuit. Then your RTH is the value of resistance between terminals A and B. To see how to combine the resistors, try to follow the path of the current from A to B to check where splits are much or where simply is not going through because there is an open circuit due to the current source that you turned off or a short circuit in the same node. RTH is equal to RAB is equal to 1 by 60 plus 80 plus 1 by 40 is equal to 30 ohms. Finally, draw the new Thevenin's equivalent circuit plugging in. Thank you.